This man is amazing because he proved that he can build a Lamborghini by his own work. He just used his skills to make the Lamborghini and it looks more beautiful than the real Lamborghini. Actually guys, this man is a carpenter and he's fond of cars, he loves cars, okay? So he decided to make a Lamborghini by his own self. So he started to working on this. And now you can see how amazingly the car has been designed and it's mesmerizing in every way. You can see, OMG, this is just amazing. The man has done a beautiful work. You can see these videos rarely on internet. So please subscribe this channel and share the video as much as possible. If you love cars, then you genuinely will do that. Now let's see what he will do. I think he's making steering for all the car. Yeah. OMG, nice. So nicely he made steering. This guy is full of talent. A huge amount of talent has been installed in this man.